Welcome back to our Apollo video series, everyone. In our previous videos, we set up our development environment and explored the core concepts that make Apollo work. Now it's time to dive into what makes Apollo so exciting, the actual theme components that come with it out of the box. The Apollo theme is much more than just a demo. It's production-ready starting point that includes everything you need to build a modern, content-rich website. Today, we'll explore all the components it provides, from page types to widgets and piece types. Let's dive in and see what we have to work with. Let's start with the page types that Apollo provides. These give your content editors different templates to choose from when building your site. First, there's the homepage type. This comes with 3 distinct layouts that showcase different approaches to content presentation. The minimal layout is clean and simple with just the common page header, footer, and a single content area. It's perfect for landing pages or when you want your content to be the star of the show. The foundation layout adds a hero section above the content area. This hero section can feature prominently displayed content, making it ideal for marketing pages or when you need to make a strong first impression. The showcase layout includes a slideshow component, which is perfect when you need to feature multiple pieces of content prominently, like highlighting different products, showcasing portfolio items, or rotating through key announcements. And here's a cool thing about the homepage layout type. While it's used as a template for your site's homepage, you can actually add additional instances of it anywhere within your site. Next up is the default page, which provides a flexible template for general content. It inherits the same header and footer components as the homepage, with a main content area that accepts any of the theme's widgets. Finally, there's an article page type. This is actually a piece page type that comes with 2 templates: an index template for listing articles and a show template for displaying individual articles. Both templates come with 3 different layout options, and the index page also demonstrates how to add pagination to your hybrid project. These page types give your content editors a solid foundation to build on, with enough flexibility to create a wide variety of content. Now let's talk about the widgets that come with Apollo. The theme includes 10 widgets that cover common content needs while demonstrating different aspects of component development. These widgets fall into 2 main categories: layout and content. The layout widgets help structure your content in a responsive, visually appealing way. The rows widget creates rows with varying numbers of columns that automatically adjust for different screen sizes. The grid layout widget provides even more flexibility, allowing you to either select from pre-configured layouts or create custom layouts using CSS Grid. These layout components show you how complex styling can be abstracted into manageable, reusable pieces. On the content side, Apollo includes 3 core ApostropheCMS widgets. The Rich Text widget, which provides formatted text editing with standard controls for heading, tables, lists, links, and text styling. The Image widget, which adds images with support for alt text, cropping, responsive sizing, and focal point control. The Video widget, which can embed videos from services like YouTube and Vimeo. In addition to these core widgets, Apollo includes 5 custom widgets designed for common content needs. The Hero widget creates customizable hero sections with options for color gradient, image, or video backgrounds. The Slideshow widget adds interactive slideshows with customizable transitions and navigation controls. The Accordion widget organizes content into collapsible sections for better information hierarchy. The Card widget displays content in various card formats with multiple style options. And finally, the Link widget creates links that can be styled as text or customizable buttons. What's great about these widgets is they're not just functional. They're also great examples of how to build your own widgets. They demonstrate different patterns for handling user input, managing nested areas, and implementing responsive layouts. Apollo implements 2 piece types that demonstrate different aspects of content management. The article piece type shows how to structure longer form content complete with rich text editing, image management, and metadata handling. This piece type is connected to the article page template we discussed earlier, providing both index and show views. The author piece type demonstrates relationship fields, showing how different pieces of content can be connected. There isn't a dedicated page for this piece type. Instead, it's used and displayed within the article piece type. Authors are associated with articles, and their information is displayed alongside the article content. These piece types demonstrate how to structure your content for maximum reusability. By separating content into logical pieces, you can display it in multiple contexts across your site. For example, an author's information could appear on their articles, on an author directory page, and in a team section on your About page, all managed from a single source. The theme includes several helper functions for working with images, whether they come from relationships or attachment fields. These helpers handle URL generation, responsive source set image sets, cropped image selection, and focal point management. They're particularly useful for ensuring your images look great across different devices and screen sizes. While Apollo provides a complete website toolbox out of the box, it's designed to be customized to fit your specific needs. The theme uses Bulma as its CSS framework, with variables carefully organized for easy customization. You can adjust colors, typography, spacing, and other design elements by modifying these variables in the theme's SCSS files. This makes it easy to adapt Apollo to your brand without having to rewrite all of the styling. The component structure also makes it easy to extend or replace functionality. Each component is self-contained with clear separation between content structure and presentation. This means you can modify the content's appearance without affecting its content management capabilities or extend its functionality while maintaining its existing styling. And that's our overview of the Apollo theme components. We've covered the page types, layout, and content widgets, piece types, image helpers, and customization options that make Apollo a powerful starting point for your projects. Whether you use Apollo as is, customize it to fit your needs, or just use it as a reference, it provides a wealth of examples and patterns for integrating Apostrophe CMS with Astro. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into specific aspects of Apollo, like building custom widgets, working with piece types, and deploying your project to production. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.